So we're given this question to solve. 1 plus cube root of p over 1 minus root p is equal to 1. We ask to find the value of p that satisfies this equation. So we have fraction here. So the first one we're going to do is to get rid of this fraction by multiplying both sides by the denominator of this equation. So the denominator is 1 minus root p. So we have 1 minus root p multiplied by 1 plus cube root of p over 1 minus root p, then equals to 1 multiplied by 1 minus root p. So this and this is going to cancel. So we'll be left with 1 plus cube root of p is equal to 1 multiplied by this is going to give us 1 minus root of p. So let's take this one to the left hand side by subtracting 1 from both sides. So when we do that, we're going to have 1 minus 1, then plus cube root of p equal to 1 minus 1 is 0, then we have negative root p. Then this 1 minus 1 is going to cancel. So we have cube root of p is equal to negative root of p. So we're going to write this cube root of p as p exponential 1 over 3, then equal to this negative, we're going to write it as negative 1, then multiply by, then root p, we're going to write it as p exponential 1 over 2. So let's get rid of these fractional exponents by raising both sides to the exponent of 6. So this one will be 6. So 1 over 3 times 6 is going to give us p exponential 2 or p square, then equal to negative 1 raised by 6 will give us 1, then times 1 over 2 times 6 is going to give us pq. So we're going to have p square is equal to 1 times pq is equal to pq. So let's take this pq to the left hand side. So we have p square minus pq, then is equal to 0. So we can factor out p square from this equation. So let's factor out p square. P square divided by p square is 1, then minus pq divided by p square is p, so equal to 0. So you have that p square is equal to 0, or 1 minus p is equal to 0. So let's take the square root of both sides for this one, so that we have p is equal to square root of 0 is 0, then or 1 minus p is equal to 0. When we add p to both sides, we're going to have 1 is equal to p, so which is p is equal to 1. So we have p equal to 0 or p is equal to 1. But then if you take a look at this equation here, you see that if you plug in 1 as p here, we're going to have 1 minus square root of 1, which is going to give us 1 minus 1, which is 0. And so we can't have 0 as a denominator in any fraction. If we do, it's going to be undefined. And so we're going to discard this value of p, which is 1, and then we're going to take only p equal to 0 to be the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, comment, and share with your friends. Have a nice day.